if you're angry, if you're frustrated, and you feel like the world is just crumbling right before you, then perhaps this is just a video that may help your day and reclaim yourself. Don't be held hostage of your emotions and curate the environment that you want to be partaking in. So if you are not driving, then great, this is the video for you. If you are driving, I do recommend that save this video, come back, and then when you are in a safe place, you are not operating in any machinery whatsoever, and you're completely still, then simply follow my voice. And if you are in a safe place, just close your eyes. Let's remove any sensory from your vision and simply follow my voice. It's very simple. It's only gonna take less than a minute. So here we go. Close your eyes and follow my voice gently and slowly. I want you to take a deep breath in. Hold it for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 8 seconds and a half, longer than you inhale. Hold it for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Let's do it another 2 times. Inhale. Hold it for 4 and exhale. One more time. And then exhale. You can open your eyes now. See how much difference that is. It's not rocket science. It's very simple. But what actually happened there? You see, when you are angry, when you are frustrated, when you feel very emotional, you are in a fight or flight mode. What's happening when you are doing the breathing that we just did earlier? You are turning on your parasympathetic nerve, the one that helps you relax, and it slows down the secretion of the cortisol in your body from your brain. So that's what's happening. We are slowing down the cortisol, slowing down your heart, right? We are doing it so that into your brain and through your veins and through your lungs and through your heart. And by doing so, you are giving a signal to your body that you are trying to relax. And you can do it 5 times, 10 times, as often as you need to. For example, if you're at work right now and you really feel like, oh my gosh, the work is too much, you can go to the loo or to the toilet and give it for 10 seconds, and you can do the breathing exercise that we just did. And I do hope that this little tip can help you reclaim your mind and always know that you have the choice to curate your environment. Take care. Bye for now.